Alright people, so I took this trade earlier when it was around here, right as this candle closed. I saw this rejection and I was already bearish from here. In fact, I actually took the trade here initially, but then I was seeing these rejections, and then when the trade was pulling back here close to my entry, I just decided to close out the trade. But that proved to be a dumbass decision because I see price continue to move down. So I was kind of regretting my exit here. So I waited and I waited, and over here I saw this pullback. This pullback came out of nowhere. There wasn't really anything valid. Well, you could say there was a break and retest of this level right here, but other than that, I didn't see anything that was valid to me to warrant this pullback here. So when I saw this pullback and it took out this high, and there was a bunch of other confluences in terms of key levels as well as the trend line and the time of day, which is around New York open. I saw this rejection and immediately I just entered, put the stop above here, and then it was really smooth right down all the way here. So I'm still in this trade right now, but unfortunately after this very nice move down, which was really like four-fifths of the way to my take profit, it just started to reverse, and now it's all the way back to my break even. So now it's Asia. So I'm just monitoring the trade right now. I'm gonna go to sleep actually very soon. So I haven't before, actually, when it was down here, I moved my stop loss to break even. But then once it started to move, I was like, okay, let me put it back here, because price will very likely come back here, tickle the entry, and then potentially continue to drop. It might also reverse and then take me out. I'd rather it take me out here than take me out at break even only for it to drop, because I'll just be kicking myself. Why did I move? Because there's no valid reason for me to move it to break even. Some people would consider this a break of structure, and then they would use that, but that's wrong, because structurally, now this is the low, this is the high, so price has the right to pull back if it's going to maintain structure. That is, price has the right to pull back anywhere within this high and low. It can even wick above this, as long as there's no actual close. It can still maintain structure. Same way it wicked above these two highs, right? Price actually went above these two highs, but the fact that it didn't close above them and came back down means structure is still maintained bearish. Now, had it closed above here, then that would have been a sign that, okay, structure might be changing. Even that's not a complete 100% confirmation that structure has changed, but you have to follow some set of rules, in order to trade. Else you'll be paralyzed with so many decisions. So you have to have some set of rules. So the fact that it came up here above these two highs and then wick down, that's really good. It means it's still willing to maintain structure. So like I said, that's the reason why I removed my stop loss from break even and put it back above the high where it was before. So now it's here, it's tickling the entry, and yeah, hopefully it continues to drop, and we'll see. So I just want to record this.